Greetings, this is Alien0x, and today I'm going to take you guys through a machine called DC-1. It's an easy machine. All you have to do is enumerate the machine and you'll discover that it's running on a CMS called Drupal. From there you get the version and you'll see the version is vulnerable to a remote code execution. From there you'll just do normal privilege escalation, get into the machine. I hope you learned something new today, and remember to like and subscribe. Okay, first things first, let's create a directory for this machine. Documents, CTF, it's called as DC-1, and also create an in-map directory for the scan. Let's go into that directory, CTF, DC-1, let's clear the screen, Control and L. First let's discover the IP of the target machine. We can go IP A and we'll check out our IP address. It's 192.168.16.8. And clear the screen again, and we can do sudo inmap. This is in 192.168.16.0/24 network. Let it run, put in a password, and we get back. Since we are our IP is 16.8, the target machine will be on 16.7. 1, 2 and 3, that's just VirtualBox shenanigans, so we can clear the screen again, and then we can start off with our nmap scheme. We can do sudo nmap, this is C, default script, this is V, numerical version, there's V for opacity, there's output nmap, and we can put this in the nmap directory and call this DC-1, and our IP there's 192.168.16.7. Let's wait for our scan to finish up. While that is doing, I'm going to do export, and IP is equal to 192.168.16.7. if I do echo IP, we get the IP there, clear the screen there, and our scan has finished. As you can see, we have 3 ports open. That's port 22 SSH, we have port 80 HTTP, and we have port 111, that's RCP bind. We check out, we can see that's running on a Debian box, and port 80 we have, it's running on a Apache server 2.2.22, and you can see that it's PTP title, welcome to Drupal site, Drupal. We have a version Drupal 7, not sure how accurate that is. You can see robots.txt is 36 disallowed entries. So let's start off and then we can check out that site. So it's 192.168.16.7, and it says welcome to Drupal. We can check out the source code by hitting Ctrl U, see if there's any hidden comments. Drupal is a CMS, that's a content management system. You can just do a quick Google search, type in Drupal, and you'll see Drupal is a free and open source web content management system, CMS, written in PHP. So now that you know the language that it's written in, it's PHP. We can go back to the site and we see we are welcome with a login page. Let's do Drupal default creds. See, so using a password admin. So let's try admin. No, that's wrong. Admin. Let's try admin password. Admin no password. We can't get in. So the next thing I would like to run, let's clear the screen again. Let's run fav to check if there's any hidden directories as user /c checklist, and go to discovery, web content, and we can do directory list. Let's do 2.3 medium. Nice it's HTTP 192.168.16.7, and we fav, we can do fuzz, and we can output this and call this it's DC-1 dash fuzz.txt. Okay, while that is running, I'm going to run a Nicto scan as well. So this host, and it's 192.168.16.7. As I'm pretty certain that most of the results that will return here will be that which is in the robots.txt, which is the allowed entries. We can check that out. We can just do robots.txt, check all the disallowed entries, and I'm pretty sure these will show up in our fav. Let's open this up. There we go, I have two already. Let's see our Nicto. Now we found on port 80. Let's try HTTP. Yeah, I see these miscellaneous themes. We have models as well. We go back to our robots.txt, we'll see these results in the, there we go, these miscellaneous models, theme scripts. So I think I'm just going to pause that, and I'm going to go back to my Nicto scan. Let's do this, and let's run that again. Oh, it's taking its time. Wonder if there's an issue there. Let's close this out again. Let's check if the machine is still up and running. New ping 192.168.16.7. Machine is still up. Am I doing anything wrong with the Nicto scan? So Nicto is host. Keep paths, put in port ATV, and we can do output. Output and call this Nicto dash DC-1 txt. Just do this. I can put it in documents, PDF DC-1. There we go. So now that we have our Nicto scan running, we can check out we have PHP, the version of PHP. Once again, it's telling it's Drupal 7. While this is running, I'm going to start up Burp Suite. I'm going to go to the website, and I'm going to put in Burp. So wait till Burp Suite is opening up. Start this. Start Burp. And it's taking its sweet time. check, cancel it. Uncommon exchange found, 777, there we go. Once that's go to our proxy, turn it on, and then let's just refresh this page. Send that to repeater on, and then we can just forward that. Check out our response headers. We have PHP on there. Where once again we have Drupal 7. So we know it's Drupal 7. We don't know exactly which version of Drupal 7 it is. And let's turn it off. Open up search exploit, and we can do Drupal 7. See if there's anything. We got a lot of results back, and if we look through this, we see that it's quite, the version is 8.5.1. You can check which version of this is, but you can see anything older than this, there's a remote code execution vulnerability called Drupal Hidden 2. So if I do a quick Google search, I can go to Drupal, you can just do Drupal version. Currently these are Drupal 7 and Drupal 9 updated versions. So yeah, so let's start up MSF console. Check the results on Bonito scan. Is anything else that's here? Apache updated version. Let's wait till MSF console, Metasploit console starting up. So we have this Drupal Hidden 2. It's a remote code execution, and hopefully it works, because as you can see, any version older than this, it's vulnerable to that as well. I can close this up. Let's just minimize that for a second. Oh, it's taking its sweet time to open up. Okay, we have Apache, we have miscontains app server, has Drupal 7. We can navigate to this. Oh, I just stopped that. If we do Drupal, put this in there. Check Control U, source code, nothing. Don't have permission. MSF console is still starting up. Let's check app/server. Just goes to the server, could not be found. So if you search for, let's do search, and it was called Drupal Hidden 2, and say use 0, check out the options. So we have to set the remote host, that will be set rhost, it's 192.168.16.7. And yeah, that's about it. So let's check if this exploit is gonna work. Type in run. False. Oh, it looks like it's gonna work because there's an interpreter session 1 opened and this exploit works. So if we type in, so wait till the interpreter session is actually open. And here we go. So we can just do open up a cell, type UMI, we have data, we have a first flag, we can get the flag, 1.txt. Let's upgrade the cell. We can do, let's see which Python is in this machine. Python is on here. Python SC, import p2y dot spawn, call this bin bash. There we go. Can do cd, go to our root directory, can ls that as well. Cd into home, ls cd flag for ls get flag 4.txt. I'm not gonna do all the flags. I'm gonna check if I can see it into the root directory. Permission denied, so I'm not the root, so we can do sudo this al. Nope. Let's do and let's check here my Linux previous escalation. We can check if there's any set UIDs. So it's find slash permission. I think as permission as u equals is type 2 without any errors slash div null. And we do actually get a few back. I immediately recognize this user bin find. So what we can do, we can just hop onto called GTF opens. And we go and you can call issue ID, and we're looking for the find command. We go, we can hop into that, and all we have to do is this is all we have to do. So copy that. I have to do is first go into that directory. We can do cd slash user slash bin. We can paste that in, which we copied. Let me just check I'm running sudo install find. Oh, it's wrong. You need this one here. Copy that, paste it in the sure. Let's use the right one here. Oh, let's check which error message popped up here now. Okay. Illegal option dash p. Let's just check again if I paste that. So then is h. Let's check the sum which is wrong. We have find.exe bin bash dash p slash quit. I'm in the right directory. enter illegal option -p. Let's check something isn't right. So type this out. It's find dot execute slash bin bash -p / quit. Here we go. So who am I? As you can see, we are root. So you can do cd root ls and get the final flag txt. There we go. Okay, we got the root flag. Till next time, see you guys.